we'll introduce you to the basic functions of Speedcut Automode. You'll learn how to create a cutting program and transfer it to the cutting machines, the 56 and the 68. Let's start with some general information about the software. Speedcut is a program that allows you to create cutting programs in just a few seconds. Another advantage is that even untrained staff can easily operate the cutting programs on the 56 and the 68 models, as every step is clearly displayed both graphically and in text form. For most customers, Automode is the standard application. This mode is used when you need to create a cutting program based on a pre-prepared print sheet. Let's get started right away. First, open Speedcut and select Automode in the top left toolbar. Next, click on Open PDF and choose the print sheet you'd like to process. Please note the following requirements. The print sheet must be in PDF format. The cut marks must be in vector graphics. Scanned files or image files are not suitable. All elements on the print sheet must be the same size. There must be a gap, intermediate cut, between the elements. Once all requirements are met, click Run in the top right of the toolbar. Speedcut will automatically detect the cut marks, and red lines will indicate exactly where the cuts will be made. Would you like to check the cutting program in advance? No problem. Simply go to Simulator in the left sidebar. Using the back and next buttons at the top center, you can go through the program step by step. At the bottom, you'll see all the steps laid out clearly. Here, you can adjust the parameters for each step, such as clamping pressure and back gauge speed. Just click on the respective field and modify the values. If you want the paper to be automatically ejected after the cut, tick the Eject box. Once you're satisfied with the cutting program, close the simulator by clicking the X icon at the top right corner of the menu bar. Are you satisfied with your cutting program? Now you can transfer it to the cutting machines. There are two ways to transfer the final cutting program to the machine. Please note that a full version of the software is required for this step, as the key functions Save Program and QR Code are not visible in the free demo version. Option 1. USB Stick. Connect a USB stick to your device and click on Save Program. Save the file to the USB stick. Then connect the USB stick to your cutting machine and the cutting program will be loaded. Option 2. QR Code. Select QR Code from the toolbar at the top right. A new window will open with a preview of the cover page displaying the QR code. We recommend setting the pixel size of the QR code as large as possible. You can adjust this using the slider in the bar to the left of the preview. Simply drag the slider to the right to increase the size. In the same bar, you can also set the paper output format. Once you're happy with your settings, print the cover page. Scan the QR code on the cover page directly on the cutting machine, and the cutting program will load automatically. Goodbye, and best of luck with your cutting projects.